Hey FANNE-atics, it's Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell so you are notified whenever I upload a new video. For today, I'm going to be doing an avatar makeup transformation. Well, I mean, it's mostly face paint, but makeup transformation in honor of the new Avatar Fire and Ash movie coming so soon. I cannot wait to see it, and I hope you guys can't wait either. I am so excited. I love Avatar so much, and I've been waiting so long for this. So if you like this makeup transformation, give it a thumbs up, and let's get started. To start out, I'm first going to use my L'Oreal 24-hour primer so I can have a smooth base before applying the blue cream paint stick, and it's easier to blend and so the paint doesn't go into my pores. Layer by layer, I build up the color until my whole face and neck has that smooth, otherworldly glow. And it was so much easier to use the primer first because the blending was so smooth, and down my neck as well. Next, I began mapping out the iconic tribal markings. Using deeper shades of blue, I carved out those bold forehead streaks, making sure every line is precise. Contouring around the nose and cheeks, these lines are what brings the Na'vi features to life. Sharp, organic, and a little fierce. Now for the details that make the transformation pop. Bright white dots across the temples and collarbone to mimic that bioluminescent shimmer. Then I highlighted the eyes with icy white shadow to give that mystical, wide-eyed look. And the liner too. Time to apply some individual lashes, and after the lashes, I apply a soft pink shade to the tip of the nose. And of course, contact lenses, these glowing yellow eyes, absolutely essential. And extremely annoying to put in. To complete this look, I used one of my Grinch ColourPop lipsticks and the lip liner that comes with it, and of course the iconic ears. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and follow me on all my social media. I really like how this turned out, and I hope you guys liked it too. It took so long, 2 hours to do. Obviously this is edited, so you can't tell, but it took a while. The contacts were the most annoying part. Anyways, wish me luck taking all this off. Give it a thumbs up so I can take it off, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye FANNE-atics. Mwah.